I'll be showing you how to change the text size on your iPhone. Now this could be text on the user interface, on the settings page, in text messages, and all the text on your iPhone. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to display and brightness, tap on that, and then tap on text size. And then here we have this default text size, which is in the middle. You can use this slider to either reduce the text size or increase the text size. Okay, so choose, let's say you want to increase the text size. So once you select it, now when you go back, everything looks bigger, as you can see. And that's basically how to increase or reduce text size on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.